Hey everyone, and welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving into a critical debate shaping the future of AI. How do we regulate risks we haven't even seen yet? I know, sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's a serious question that AI pioneer Fei-Fei Li is bringing to the forefront. Get ready, because what I'm about to tell you could change how you see the future of AI, and maybe even your job. Are we ready to blindly trust AI, or should we be preparing for the worst? Let's get into it. So what's the buzz about? A new report co-led by Fei-Fei Li is urging lawmakers to consider AI risks that have not yet been observed in the world when crafting AI regulatory policies. This 41-page report comes from the Joint California Policy Working Group on Frontier AI Models, an effort organized by Governor Gavin Newsom after he vetoed California's controversial AI safety bill, SB 1047. Now, Newsom acknowledged the need for a more extensive assessment of AI risks to inform legislators. Think of it as a wake-up call to get ahead of the curve before AI really takes off. This isn't just about what AI can do now, but what it might do in the future. And let me tell you, some of the possibilities are pretty wild. The report argues for laws that would increase transparency into what frontier AI labs like OpenAI are building. Li, along with co-authors Jennifer Chase and Mariano Florentino Cuellar, want more insight into the inner workings of these cutting-edge AI systems. The report suggests forcing AI model developers to publicly report their safety tests, data acquisition practices, and security measures. They also advocate for increased standards around third-party evaluations and corporate policies, plus expanded whistleblower protections for AI company employees and contractors. Imagine the kind of secrets these companies might be hiding. It's like opening Pandora's box, but instead of mythical creatures, we might find potential existential threats. Are we ready for that? Here's where it gets really interesting. Li and her colleagues acknowledge that there's inconclusive evidence for AI's potential to carry out cyber attacks, create biological weapons, or bring about other extreme threats. However, they argue that AI policies shouldn't only address current risks but anticipate future consequences that might occur without sufficient safeguards. This is a crucial point. They use the analogy of nuclear weapons. We don't need to see one explode to know it can cause extensive harm. The report states that if those who speculate about the most extreme risks are right, and they admit we're uncertain if they will be, then the stakes and costs for inaction on frontier AI at this current moment are extremely high. It's like saying, hey, we don't know if this thing will blow up in our faces, but maybe we should put on some safety goggles just in case. Smart, right? To boost AI model development transparency, the report recommends a two-pronged strategy: trust but verify. AI model developers and their employees should be provided avenues to report on areas of public concern, such as internal safety testing, while also being required to submit testing claims for third-party verification. This is all about accountability. It's like saying, we trust you to build amazing things, but we also want to make sure you're not accidentally creating Skynet in the process. It's a delicate balance, but it's essential to ensure AI benefits humanity without destroying it. How far would you go to ensure AI safety? While the report endorses no specific legislation, it's been well received by experts on both sides of the AI policymaking debate. Dean Ball, an AI-focused research fellow at George Mason University, who was critical of SB 1047, called the report a promising step for California's AI safety regulation. California State Senator Scott Wiener, who introduced SB 1047, said the report builds on urgent conversations around AI governance we began in the legislature in 2024. The report aligns with several components of SB 1047 and Wiener's follow-up bill, SB 53, such as requiring AI model developers to report the results of safety tests. It seems to be a much-needed win for AI safety folks, whose agenda has lost ground in the last year. This shows that even those who disagree on the specifics can agree on the importance of safety. But will it be enough? This whole debate boils down to transparency and foresight. We need to be able to see what these AI companies are building, and we need to think about the potential consequences before it's too late. The report's call for third-party verification and whistleblower protections is a crucial step in that direction. It's not about stifling innovation. It's about responsible innovation. It's about making sure that AI serves humanity, not the other way around. Otherwise, we could be sleepwalking into a disaster. Are we doing enough to ensure AI safety? Or are we just crossing our fingers and hoping for the best? So what's the takeaway here? Fei-Fei Li and her colleagues are urging us to think ahead, to anticipate the risks that AI might pose in the future, not just the ones we see today. This report is a call to action for lawmakers, AI developers, and all of us to engage in a serious conversation about AI safety. The future of AI is not set in stone. It's up to us to shape it. But we can only do that if we're informed, engaged, and willing to ask the tough questions. What kind of future do you want to see? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news and analysis. Thanks for watching.